Good morning, everyone. Today we are presenting our major project on game development, which we have developed on taking the current scenario in consideration, COVID-19. Our project revolves around the COVID. We have developed this to add some fun and spread awareness in a creative manner. Our game revolves around virus, patients, saving lives, RBCs, and WBCs. The basic idea is to spread knowledge and awareness through some interesting way. Learning by doing. When you play a game, you engage yourself in it and you kill the virus and feel like a warrior. So come participate and be a warrior.
Story summary: Killing coronavirus as an antibody blast. I want killing virus gaining energy and saving white blood cell and red blood cell from getting infected and gaining health so that more virus can be killed out and RBC and WC remain unaffected and no more spread of COVID-19. Acceptance criteria: used PY game library for creation of game app. The game is Antibody Blast, in which the WBC and RBC have to be saved from getting loose on attack. The plane killed of firing assist used in app is used to kill virus and protect the powerhouse. If the plane fires at white or red asset, the player loses score and health both. The green ball like structure is health gain or booster. Here in this game, Antibody Blast, we are protecting WBC white blood cell and RBC red blood cell from getting infected by the coronavirus, as we all know that the WBC are the warrior which fight the attack of viruses, bacteria in a body and keep us in a healthy state. Here also, when we save WBC and RBC from the contact of virus, we gain a point and a player win the games. Whereas if firing assist hit WBC or RBC, the player loses health and loses the game both.
Child story for the game Saving the Patient. Saving the patient from getting infected from coronavirus. I want to disinfect the virus so that more viruses can be killed, health can be gained, and the patients can be saved from getting infected. We have used Pygame library for creation of game app. Our main screen initializations are initial position of our app player is bottom center and there is an image path. The game app is saving the patient from COVID-19. The player is disinfecting or killing the virus by firing injections. In case virus touches to patient or come in contact with the patient gets infected and the level gets over. Let me explain you this game. This game demonstrates the action of saving the patient. Here the player, our warrior, who is placed on the bottom center of the app layer, is firing the injections, which contains antibodies to infect the coronavirus. As more and more viruses are being disinfected, the more the patient gains good health and recovers faster. And our player wins the game, saves the lives. Whereas, if our warrior misses the virus and the infected virus gets in contact with the patient, our warrior loses the game. Unfortunately, a life is lost due to COVID-19. So let's empower our warriors to disinfect the virus and save lives. So come and play this.
Agile story. Story summary is Space Invader game. As a killing all the viruses in one go using Invader. I want next level with health and awareness about pandemic is achieved so that more viruses can be killed, health can be gained along with the protecting seal. Now what comes about is the acceptance criteria. We are using Pygame library for the creation of game app. Game is a space invader in which we have a spaceship to fire a virus. Virus in the game need to be fired in the given time means so that next level can be achieved. Player or spaceship gets more health or gets charged. In case player is not able to complete the levels, the player loses the game. Health is gained by disinfecting virus and also more assets are added to the next. This is a defeating game in which virus is defeated. Let's defeat it together. So what we have done is, and what game is all about, we have used Pygame library and have imported every asset as well as the flask from the created modules. This game is a space invader kind of game where all the viruses are killed and the health is gained along with a shield. Thanks everyone.